Not long ago, I shared a Notion mobile page that I designed for my client to access her content calendar, and I asked this question on my stories. And I'm glad most of you actually do use it on mobile because I think Notion's mobile app is indeed quite good. Nevertheless, here is a tip that will save you a considerable amount of time when you try to navigate to the required page through Notion app. And this you can do with the help of widgets by the Notion app. Create custom pages optimized for mobile devices containing only the essential items I need from my phone. Then I create the Notion widgets on my mobile screen to access that specific page. Find a space on the phone tab where you want to create the shortcut and press until you see the option to add a widget. Type Notion in the search bar. You need the page widget from here. Touch and hold to pick that widget to place it on the phone tab. Search for the page that you want to link, and I'll go down and pick this page from under the page section. Click done, and that creates a shortcut to my page. When I click this, I'll open the required page directly, saving myself from all the distractions navigating through the page had I gone through the default Notion app.